Alright everyone, we've just gotten our first real glimpse at what Samsung has been cooking up, and let me tell you, the Galaxy S26 Ultra is shaping up to be absolutely mind-blowing. This isn't just an upgrade, it feels like a leap into the future of smartphones. The leaks and rumors have been swirling, but seeing the initial details come together paints a picture of a device that pushes boundaries in every single way. From design to performance, cameras to features, Samsung seems determined to redefine what an Ultra phone can be. We're talking about innovations that could genuinely change how we use our phones every day. The excitement in the tech world is palpable, and for good reason. This device looks set to be a true flagship titan. Get ready to dive deep into everything we know so far about the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. We'll explore the stunning design, the insane features, and why this phone is already generating so much buzz. Let's get into it. We're seeing hints of new, more durable materials being used for the frame and back. This isn't just about looking good, it's about building a phone that can stand up to daily life while maintaining that luxurious feel. The camera housing, a signature element of the Ultra series, has been subtly tweaked. It integrates more seamlessly into the overall design, looking less like an add-on and more like an intentional, beautiful part of the phone's structure. Color options are always exciting, and early peeks suggest some truly stunning finishes. Samsung usually offers a mix of classic and bold colors, and the S26 Ultra lineup looks set to continue that trend with some potentially unique textures or effects. Prepare your eyes, because the display on the S26 Ultra is reportedly out of this world. Samsung consistently leads the industry in display technology, and they seem to have raised the bar yet again with this panel. The color accuracy and vibrancy are expected to be top tier, providing an incredibly immersive viewing experience for movies, photos, and games. Every image just pops with life and detail. Resolution remains incredibly sharp, ensuring text is crisp and images are detailed. This high resolution combined with the large screen size makes the S26 Ultra a fantastic device for productivity and entertainment alike. New display technologies might be at play here, potentially improving power efficiency or further reducing eye strain. Samsung is always innovating in this space, and the S26 Ultra is the canvas for their latest advancements. The integration of the under-display fingerprint sensor is expected to be faster and more reliable than ever. Unlocking your phone should be instantaneous and seamless. And for S Pen users, the display responsiveness is likely to be further enhanced. Lower latency means writing and drawing on the screen will feel even more like putting pen to paper, opening up new creative possibilities. This display isn't just a window into your digital world, it's a portal. It's bright, beautiful, smooth, and packed with technology that makes everything you do on the phone look and feel better. Under the hood, the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra is rumored to be an absolute beast. We're talking about the next generation of mobile processing power, designed to handle anything you can throw at it with ease. Expect a brand new flagship chipset, likely a custom variant optimized specifically for the S26 Ultra. This chip promises significant gains in both raw performance and power efficiency compared to the previous generation. For gamers, this is where the S26 Ultra will truly shine. The new GPU is expected to deliver console-level graphics and performance on a mobile device. High-fidelity games will run at maximum settings with high frame rates. AI processing is becoming increasingly important, and the new chipset will have dedicated hardware for handling complex AI tasks directly on the device. This powers features like advanced camera processing, voice commands, and intelligent software optimizations. Now, let's talk cameras. The Ultra line is synonymous with pushing the boundaries of mobile photography, and the S26 Ultra appears to be taking things to an entirely new level. This camera system looks insane. The main sensor is rumored to be a groundbreaking new imager, potentially with higher resolution or a larger physical size than ever before. This means more light capture, better detail, and improved low light performance. Samsung's signature space zoom is expected to see significant improvements. We might see enhanced optical zoom capabilities and even more refined digital zoom, allowing you to capture distant subjects with incredible clarity. The ultra-wide lens is also getting attention, likely with improvements to resolution and distortion correction. This is perfect for capturing expansive landscapes or getting everyone into the shot. Macro capabilities might be enhanced, allowing for stunning close-ups that reveal intricate details. The versatility of this camera system is a major selling point. Low-light photography is an area where Samsung consistently excels, and the S26 Ultra is expected to set new benchmarks. Advanced sensors, faster processing, and improved AI will work together to produce bright, clear, and detailed photos even in challenging conditions. Video recording is another highlight. Expect support for high resolutions and frame rates, along with advanced stabilization and new video features powered by the powerful chipset. Filming professional-looking video on your phone is becoming easier than ever. AI photography features are becoming more sophisticated. The S26 Ultra will likely leverage its powerful NPU to offer enhanced scene optimization, object recognition, and computational photography tricks that make every shot look its best with minimal effort. The camera interface itself is likely to be refined, making it easier to access all these powerful features. Pro modes will offer granular control for enthusiasts, while automatic modes will ensure stunning results for everyone. With all this power and a brilliant display, battery life is crucial. The S26 Ultra is expected to pack a large capacity battery, continuing the trend of the Ultra line offering excellent endurance. The efficiency gains from the new processor and optimized software should contribute significantly to extending battery life. You should be able to get through a full day of heavy usage without constantly worrying about finding an outlet. When you do need to top up, charging speeds are expected to be incredibly fast. Wired charging speeds are rumored to be higher than ever, minimizing downtime and getting you back to full power in no time. Wireless charging is also likely to see improvements, offering a convenient and speedy way to power up without cables. Just drop your phone on a compatible pad, and watch the battery percentage climb rapidly. Reverse wireless charging, or wireless power share, will likely return, allowing you to charge your earbuds or other accessories directly on the back of the phone. It's a handy feature for keeping your other devices powered up on the go. Samsung understands that users demand long-lasting battery life and fast charging, especially on a flagship device like the Ultra. The S26 Ultra seems poised to deliver on both fronts, providing the power you need to keep up with your day. The Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra will launch with the latest version of Android, overlaid with Samsung's refined One UI. One UI has evolved into a mature and feature-rich interface that offers extensive customization and powerful tools. Expect new features and optimizations within One UI specifically designed to take advantage of the S26 Ultra's hardware. This includes enhancements for the S Pen, multitasking improvements, and deeper integration with Samsung's ecosystem. Artificial intelligence will be woven throughout the software experience. Samsung has been heavily investing in on-device AI, and the S26 Ultra will showcase the next generation of these capabilities, from smarter photo editing to more intuitive interactions. The S Pen experience is a core part of the Ultra identity, and software enhancements will make it even more versatile. Improved handwriting recognition, new air actions, and tighter integration with productivity apps will unlock new ways to work and create. Samsung's ecosystem of connected devices, including watches, earbuds, and tablets, will seamlessly integrate with the S26 Ultra. Features like Quick Share, seamless switching between devices, and SmartThings control will enhance the overall user experience. Security remains a top priority, with Samsung Knox providing multi-layered protection for your data. The under-display fingerprint sensor and facial recognition offer convenient and secure ways to unlock your device. The software on the S26 Ultra isn't just an operating system, it's a platform designed to maximize the potential of the hardware. It's intuitive, powerful, and packed with features that cater to both casual users and power users alike. Connectivity is cutting edge, with support for the latest Wi-Fi standards, potentially Wi-Fi 7, for incredibly fast wireless speeds. 5G connectivity will be robust, ensuring fast and reliable mobile data wherever it's available. Durability is key for a device you use every day. Expect high IP ratings for water and dust resistance, along with the latest generation of protective glass on the front and back to guard against scratches and drops. Storage options will likely be generous, catering to users who need ample space for photos, videos, apps, and games. Fast storage technology ensures quick app loading and file transfers. So, how does the S26 Ultra stack up? Based on these early looks, it's clear Samsung is positioning this phone at the very top tier of the market. It's designed to compete with, and likely surpass, the best flagships from other manufacturers. Against competitors, the S26 Ultra's unique combination of cutting-edge performance, a versatile and powerful camera system with incredible zoom, the integrated S Pen, and a stunning display gives it a distinct edge, particularly for power users and creators. Wow! Just wow! The Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, based on these first looks, is shaping up to be an absolute powerhouse and a true flagship for the next generation. The excitement is absolutely justified. The integrated S Pen, The long-lasting battery with super-fast charging, the intelligent software powered by advanced AI, it all comes together to create a device that feels incredibly complete and capable. For Samsung fans, this looks like the upgrade you've been waiting for. For tech enthusiasts, it's a showcase of what's possible in mobile technology. And for anyone looking for the absolute best smartphone experience, the S26 Ultra is making a very strong case for itself. Of course, we'll need to get our hands on the device for a full review, but these initial glimpses are incredibly promising. Samsung seems to have hit it out of the park with the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Get ready, because the future of smartphones is looking incredibly bright, and it might just be powered by the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Stay tuned for more details as they emerge. This is going to be exciting.